Data Roundtable, where we come together as data professionals to talk and to share ideas, share articles, share problems, share whatever you'd like, really. So thank you for joining me. I'm here to facilitate. I'm here to hold space. I'm here to help us all just kind of keep on growing in each other's study of data science. So let me know what you're up to. Feel free to say hello. Let me know that my audio is coming in well. I got my big light on today. I don't know. I just feel like changing things up today. I was doing some filming, so I have my big light on. Let me adjust my camera here. I was doing some filming earlier today, some content I want to push out. So I got a variety of different things going on right now on my screens and everything else. But let me know if you like this lighting better, or if you like the light off. The light off gives it, I think, a little bit more of a mellow look, which I like. But thought I'd try something different today. So how are you? How's your weekend going? What are you doing this weekend to help you get just a little bit better at data science, right? As I've said before, you're not going to become an amazing data scientist in a couple days. It's going to take time. It's a personal investment in your career, in your future. So all you have to do is just work a little bit. Just work a little bit. What is it that you're doing even on a small scale? What is it that you're doing to help you get better today in your data science? That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. There's no need for you to worry about having to make some big major changes or drastic arrangements or big purchases. Just get a little better every single day. Try to improve as much as you can. Read something new, try something new, open yourself to a new thought, to a new piece of code, to whatever it is, right? So let me know how you're doing. Let me know what's going on for you this weekend. I know for some people, Sunday is the start of the week in some countries and cultures. So what are you up to? For those of you that are students, maybe it's almost back to school time. Maybe some of you are already back in school, right? The summer seems to get shorter and shorter. So what are you doing to go back to school or do some more studying in the fall? For me, it's been a busy morning. I've been up since about 4 a.m. Took my dog to the dog park, came back, started doing some work. I actually did quite a bit of work yesterday. I've been working on some new marketing materials that I want to use for my coaching business. For those of you who don't know, I do run a coaching business. If you want some more information on that, click on the link in my bio where I do have information on that. But I've been working on some new marketing materials for my business, and it's whenever I get started on things like that, I kind of get inspired and I want to keep going and going and going. So I did quite a bit of work on that yesterday. Not that I'm complaining, it's very fun work, but it definitely kept me busy, more busy than I usually am for a Saturday. But having said that, I mean, when you run your own show, when you do things like I do, there is no weekend, right? It's just every single part's a working day. Especially when it comes to data, to social media, where there's always somebody messaging you or something to reply to, something to do, right? In addition to that, yesterday I did hit a nice milestone. I crossed 35,000 followers on Instagram, which I think is fantastic. I've been wanting to hit that milestone, and I'm going to celebrate every 5,000 milestone all the way to 50,000, because to reach 50,000 would be just amazing, right? So who knows? Maybe I'll do that by the end of the year, maybe not. But yeah. So glad that you're spending some time with me. Hope that your weekend is going well. Let me know what you're up to. Feel free to let me know about you in the chat. What are you doing? What are you studying? What are you reading? What's the project? What's your main project you have going on at work or school or whatever? And then what's your side project that you're working on? Because we all have side projects, right? We all have different things that we're looking at the same time or whatnot. So what is it for you? Let me know. Let me know in the chat if you'd like. For me, I'm going to do my streaming I stream here and then I switch over to Instagram. And then after that, I'm going to have some breakfast. I haven't eaten anything today. So I'm kind of getting a little bit hungry. So I'm going to eat a little bit later today, once I finish here. And then after that, who knows what the day will hold? We'll see what comes. Um, I'll have to do some different uh, planning for the week and whatnot. So we'll see how that goes. Manoj is in the chat. How are you, Manoj, my good friend? Manoj says, "Good morning, Sir Dennis. Greetings from Bangalore, India. You're looking great. Happy Sunday." Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that, friend. Yeah, yeah, it's a nice Sunday out here. It's going to be a little bit warm today, but as I was saying earlier, I was filming some content, so I am wearing a different shirt today. I know I don't usually wear a collared shirt. I usually wear a black shirt, but thought I'd do things a little bit different today. But thank you so much for being here, Manoj. Hope you're doing well out there in Bangalore. So as I was saying, I think I'm going to do some planning for the week later today. Um, I have a couple of things that I need to take care of for this coming week, so we'll see how all of those things go. But gonna otherwise try to have a little bit of a relaxing Sunday. It's good to have a little bit of time to wind down and kind of take your mind off things and then come back to them later. I think that's healthy for your brain. So we'll see. We'll see where the streaming goes. We'll see where the conversation takes us, and I'll kind of run my Sunday accordingly. Manoj says, "I'm doing great here. Monsoon is giving a kickstart." Yes, that's right. That's right. Monsoon season's out there where you live, right? And I think I actually have a monsoon season out here too. It's usually in August. Give me just a second here. So yeah, we're also expecting rain. So I hope that you're staying dry out there in Bangalore. I don't know if that causes a threat of flood for you guys out there. Let me know, Manoj. Hopefully that won't be an issue for where you live. But yeah, monsoon season for a lot of people in August, September, very common. And then out here in the U.S., we also have hurricane season that happens September, October. So yeah, weather is definitely going to start changing. But the good news is that means that it's also going to cool down some, right? Because I live in the desert, and there's definitely been some hot days the last 2, 3 days, or last 4 or 5 days has been very hot. Like probably, I think it'd be like 45 Celsius, 47 Celsius. So very hot, very hot. Okay, my note says no issues, sir. Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that there's no flooding there. A lot of rain, but no flooding. That's a good way to do it. So yeah, let me know what you guys are working on in the chat. I see a couple people in the chat that are that are watching the stream but shy to chat. Let me know what you're working on, or anything else that you want to contribute. Right, the whole point of the data roundtable is that there is no agenda. We just talk about whatever comes up. So let me know what's on your mind. I didn't even get any coffee today. I was so busy with work and wanting to get the filming done that I wanted to do that I didn't even have my coffee today. So I'm anxious to kind of finish my streaming duties today and then get some coffee or get something to eat. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to hop over to Instagram. So thank you for joining me. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of your families. Join me on Instagram if you want. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow.